What is going on today, guys? We are going on a cruise today. Not a regular cruise, it's cars and coffee. But it's like social distancing cars and coffee, which is pretty cool. I am super excited, but first thing I gotta do is actually wash my car. Because, that's gross. That's nasty. So I'm gonna wash my car. However, before we do that, we gotta move some things. This is in the way. Key. There we go. Cold start, Volvo S40. Listen to the purr. Need the keys. Keys for my car. Hi, Jack. That could have gone better. Keys for the menu, let's go. Okay, now you can really see the extent of how dirty this is. That's bad, especially at the back. Aw, gross. That's nasty. We don't like that. Look at that, that's gross. So, I'm going to spray this down and then soak it, and I'll get back to you once it's clean. Adam's great white drying towel. Alright, she's fully washed and dried. Let's get a cold start. Look at that gloss. She's all washed up, ready to go. So, I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. Probably just gonna get a small snack because I'm gonna get food on the way back. Side note, if there are any Adams Polishes representatives watching this video and you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Because I love your products. Like, Patriot Wax. Beautiful. Looks amazing. We love it. I'm gonna eat and then I will catch up with you once we're on the road. We are now on our way up to Fort Collins. We are in Berthoud right now. About 25 minutes out and it starts in about 25 minutes. So, for once, I'm right on time. Assuming I don't catch many more red lights. But yeah, I will pick this up once I get back up there. I'll check that out. That's cool. Check it out. C63 AMG. I'm pretty sure he's on the way. Or not. This isn't what I want. Training! I just cleaned my car. Come on. Really? That sucks. Oh well. Hopefully it doesn't affect the turnout. It's really unfortunate. Okay, my timing's off slightly, but we're pretty much in we're well within Fort Collins right now, and we're pretty much getting in. Are you gonna get over? We're pretty much within the cruise area. I've seen that Civic that you just saw, and there's a Chevelle SS behind me somewhere. That thing sounds sweet. But pretty soon we're getting into where the actual cruise starts. Up there we got something, looks like an Alpha and something else. Yeah, it is an Alpha. Alright, here we go. It's basically just cruise night all over again. I'm not opposed to that, but it's basically just cruise night all over again. to see Caden or Jett, but I'm assuming they're up here somewhere. Caden said he's gonna be leaving about 3, and it's 2:20 now, so he's got time. But there are a ton of classic cars. I wish that our truck was working, because I would so drive that if I could. But yeah, it's broken. It's being a 1970 C20. It's just broken. That's nice. Got some police presence. All the Hellcats. This Mopar no car kind of holds up here. Jeez. That gang. Alright, I've parked up here. I'm waiting for Jett. I might kill it and go flag him down and pull him in here. That way he can actually get with us. Oh man, streaky windows. Sucks. Alright, I'm gonna flag him down. He should be coming from this way at some point. I don't even see him down there at all. People are already getting rowdy. On cue! On cue! People are already getting rowdy. It's crazy. I just got off the phone with Jett. He's about 2 blocks down that way. He'll be here in about 3 hours with the way of traffic at this point. Stuff is going crazy. It's nuts. It's basically cruise night again. You know how much cruise night, like how much fun that is. There's Jett right there. Here he comes. So take a right here. There's a parking lot on the other side of this building. You'll see my car. That's my dad.
Isn't that Pop-Up?
Yeah, no, that's my dad. He's borrowing Pop-Up's truck because we're doing a dump run. What's he doing here? Same plan we've always done. Out, left. Sport mode. I think the biggest thing about all this is everybody is so excited to finally get back to normal. Like, this is the first semi-normal thing anybody has done in the past 2 months. I just had that lady in that white van roll down her window and start talking to me and be like, I'm so excited to get back to normal because we want to be back to normal. We're tired of being locked inside. We just want to be like able to do stuff, you know? And we're finally getting that with this. Jett, if we can find 2 spots in the middle of the street, let's park up there. There's just so much going on, I don't know what to film. That's sweet. I found a person.
Hello, I'm here.
Yes. He's leaving you behind.
Yes. It's like,
This guy's leaving, let's go. Let's go. Oh, found the idiots. Yeah.
You see that guy stalled earlier? He was like stuck in the middle.
I thought he was setting up to do a burnout or something.
That's what I thought at first, but then I heard him trying to turn it on and it wouldn't.
That sucks.
doggy. What's up, babe?
Hello. So Jett's gonna get his radio working and then we're gonna pull out of here. It's kind of winding down. I think what we're gonna do, so we're gonna do a little bit more here and then he's gonna come and drive my car and I'm gonna just borrow that because he wants to drive this. Jett and I have gotten majorly separated. This was not intentional. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull in somewhere, let him do what we did a little bit earlier. So I'm gonna wait for Jett to show up and then I'm gonna back up. I've somehow completely lost him. I don't see him. What I do see though, very nice blue Focus. Here's the situation. Jett got blocked. Whoa, focus, focus, focus. Jett got blocked in by some idiot, and so he is he's meeting me up here. Found myself a nice spot to sit. So I'm gonna sit. Just video some cool cars coming by. Look at that. That's nice. We're technically 1 block north of where it's supposed to stop, so it's supposed to stop down at that intersection. We're up here at one intersection north, so I don't know how many people I'm gonna actually see compared to what I should. But I can just also chill out here and wait. I used to want a WRX, and I'm glad I didn't get one and I got the Mini instead. They were around the same price, but Mini is so much better in every way, other than the power and the 4-wheel drive. WRX is kind of just douchey. See what I mean? I say that like I'm innocent from doing those types of things on this cruise. There he is. All right. I have been specifically instructed to make sure there is an opening for both cars and not just for one. I feel like that's kind of fair. Switch up, Jett's leading the way now. Probably got tired of looking to the back of my car. Don't blame him. It's not exactly a very visually interesting back. All right, first off, hat hair plus coronavirus not shaving, or not getting a haircut. So let's get a haircut. I had it scheduled for yesterday, and that obviously didn't happen because the entire state shut down. Yeah, not a good look on me. But we're going down to my grandparents' place, and once we get there, he's gonna drive Minnie around for a little bit. I'll probably film him from the passenger seat. Yeah, so I will pick us up once we get back down there.
Push it down?
Yep. There you go.
Oh, that's...
Yeah, it's interesting.
So this was gonna be like driving the ST the first time.
No, it's...
Like the clutch on the ST, it does like nothing, and then like there pretty much, it does the entire bite point. And
mine's kind of similar to that. You'll get used to it pretty quick.
How do you do reverse push?
Yeah, it's same as the BMW. So just push it all the way.
Oh,
you feel, and then there it is. So the very end of it doesn't really do much. Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Push it over towards sport. Now you're in sport.
See, I just automatically rev matched it.
Yeah.
It's a chunky steering wheel.
Yeah, it's way bigger than the one on the 325.
Actually, pretty. It kind of feels like a more like family kind of, or like cruising type of the ST.
And it's got the pops and everything.
How do you? Was that like a kit or something?
No, the pops are factory.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It definitely sounds a lot better than the ST.
Yeah, it's
not as powerful.
It's a great sounding car. I like the car.
I mean, definitely for its price.
I gotta go back one more. There we go. All right. So, Jett likes the car, which is understandable because Minis are awesome. That's just a fact of life. Yeah, I will pick this up once we get back home, because I think it's just a straight shot home. There's nothing really interesting I'm going to do. No photo shoot or anything. So, I will see you guys back there. All right, I think that'll be it for me today. Yeah, that was a ton of fun. I did not expect it to be that crowded, but that was quite awesome. But otherwise, I think that's about it for me today. So, until next time, bike, goodbye. That's hilarious.